Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's crypto news, we are going to discuss the top movers, what coins top movers in the last 24 hours or the last couple of days. We're going to talk about 2 coins that you need to look out for. And we're also going to talk about the rightful owner of Bitcoin. Okay, so if this is the first time you're tuning in, my name is Chawanne Burns. I give you all the current news of cryptocurrency. And also, if you're interested in business content, I'm also the channel that you want to subscribe to. Okay, overnight, Bitcoin gained 5%. It is trading over $50,000. We had 20% sell off over the last couple of days. Speculation saying that it might hit a resistance zone and it might go back down. Okay. Everybody's looming and waiting, expecting for this crash. I'm not for sure if it's going to happen, but keep your eyes peeled. You want to make sure you get your ears to the ground if you have some money in Bitcoin. Okay. Ethereum is up 3.1%. It is trading at 4,300. Solana is up by 11%. It is trading at 7,202. XRP is trading at 0.83 and Luna is at $73. Cardano is at $1.44. Polkadot is at 29.7. It's at up 13%, almost 14%. Stellar 11%, and Dogecoin and Shiba. Those both gained 9%. Doge is just below 20%. It's trading at 18%. In Shiba, it is at 0.0000037 cents. Okay, so there you have it. We have some other coins. I'll flash that on the screen if you want to look at it. If not, I'll put CoinDesk on there. This is where I look at for to see just a snapshot what is going on. Hey, it looks like all the coins are in the green. They're up, after this volatile weekend. But I expect to see some more stuff in there. We'll talk about that later. Probably on Wednesday, we do have some things that's going on in the political realm. Okay. So India is proposing a bill to ban cryptocurrency payments. Could mean jail time if someone actually violates this. So if you're in India, it says a proposed legislation that would ban the use of cryptocurrencies as a method of payment in India also seeks to make those who infringe the law is subject to arrest without a warrant and being held without bond. Okay? According to the source and summary of this bill seen by Reuters, Prime Minister Narendra Modi's government has previously flagged that it's planned to ban most cryptocurrency, a move which follows measures by China this September that intensifies the crackdown on cryptocurrency. According to the summary bill, the Indian government is planning to general prohibition on all activities by any individual on mining, generating, holding, selling, or dealing in digital currencies as a medium of exchange, store, and value of the unit of account. And they said they're planning to arrest people, okay? If no payments are allowed at all and an exception is not made for the transaction fee, then it will also effectively stop blockchain development and NFT. So they're trying to crack down on cryptocurrency in India. China already cracked down on their cryptocurrency. I believe they jail you if they find out that you're accepting cryptocurrency. Okay, so the top is getting ready for a bull run. And the reason being is because of the metaverse, okay? The Sandbox. The Sandbox is over 110% in the last 30 days. We know metaverse is gearing up to be the next popular thing. NFT is on their second phase of, oh, now we know about it, and now people are starting to realize how to use it and what to do with it. But metaverse is one of those things that you could actually buy virtual real estate, and it's starting to gain popularity. So the Sandbox aims to tackle the opportunity by creating a blockchain-based platform where players can build, own, and monetize gaming experiences, similar to publicly traded video games company Roblox. The Sandbox also allows users to buy virtual real estate known as land in its metaverse. Ownership is recorded through non-fungible tokens, NFTs, which are digital records stored on the blockchain. While blockchain projects should be viewed with healthy skepticism, the Sandbox is making impressive progress. On the 29th, the platform launched the alpha version of its virtual world, and which features 18 game experiences and will run until December the 19th. Its developer Pixel, a subsidiary of Hong Kong-based game developer Nakamoto Brands, I don't know how to pronounce that, also real-world experiences, developing mobile games, the Sandbox franchise for all Androids and Apple iOS, which adds to its credibility. Okay, so look forward to see the Sandbox. I think this is the next best wave. If you Minecraft, they say Roblox. I don't know if those are too similar, but my kids, they really love Minecraft. In Minecraft, you could go inside the room while you playing with each other. Like one person could build the room and the next person could go inside and play around in their room or whatever, their universe. So it's a pretty cool concept. I don't know, and I think it's the next step of gaming. So Sandbox, I think it's a good thing to look out for and to invest in. Okay, so Cardano, with a market cap of 51 billion, Cardano is the 6th largest cryptocurrency on Earth, and for a good reason. It aims to compete with Ethereum to attract user-created autonomous programs called decentralized application, and boasts better speed and scalability than its larger viral. The apps dramatically increase the potential blockchain technology outside of just storing and transmitting value. They enable use cases ranging from decentralized cryptocurrencies exchanges to finance platforms that allow investors to borrow and lend their cryptocurrency holding. So it's basically like a lending platform. You could actually, I hold the crypto or the coins and I can lend it out, my coins to, and allow people to lend off my cryptocurrency. So it's like a banking system, basically. And you make money off of it. So it is a very popular platform. Should you invest right now? Should you? I don't know. Disclaimer here, I am not a financial investor. I do not give out financial advice. Don't DM me saying, hey, what should I invest in? I don't know. You got to do your own market research. And you want to never risk any monies that you cannot afford to lose, because it is an investment. So therefore, an investment, you can potentially gain or potentially lose. Okay, so make smart investment. Now, if you want to learn more about trading Forex, I have a link in my description section. You could join the academy and you could trade, go through the courses and gain the knowledge so you could trade Bitcoin, different types of cryptocurrency, different types of dollars on the Forex market, okay? And it's basically, you're not buying the actual coin, you're buying up into a position, and if you call it as a call or put, which is up or down, you could potentially gain from that if you make the correct call, okay? I trade HFX and I trade short term, so that's a 3 or 5 minute. And what I've learned over the last year, I've been doing it for the last year, I know never to risk more than what I can afford to lose, or I can't afford to lose, if that makes sense. Okay. So, and the final thing that we're going to talk about today is the defendant wins this dispute over $50 billion in Bitcoin. I don't know if you guys been following this. Craig Wright is a computer scientist who claims to be the inventor of Bitcoin. It prevailed in a civil trial this week. The verdict against the family of the deceased business partner that claimed it was owed half of the cryptocurrency fortune worth tens of billions of dollars. This Monday, Florida jury found that Wright did not owe half of the 1.1 million Bitcoin to the family of David Kleinman. They awarded them $100 million. They did decided that, yeah, these two men were a joint venture. It was like an intellectual property. But as far as the actual ownership of the $50 billion worth of Bitcoin, they decided that David Kleinman did not own half of that amount. It says David Kleinman died in April 2013 at the age of 46. Led by his brother Ira Kleinman. His family has claimed David Kleinman and Wright were close friends and co-created Bitcoin through a partnership. As the center of the trial were 1.1 million Bitcoin worth approximately $50 billion. According to or by Monday prices, okay? These were among the first Bitcoins to be created through mining and could only be owned by the person or entity involved with the digital currency from its beginning phases, such as Bitcoin creator Satoshi Nakamoto. Now the cryptocurrency community will be looking to see if the Wright follows through on the promise to prove he is the owner of Bitcoin. Doing so will lend credence to Wright's claim, the first made in 2016, that he is Nakamoto. Okay? So, there you have it. They said Wright is the rightful owner. Wright is the rightful owner. Wright is the inventor of Bitcoin, but he does owe intellectual property to the Kleinman family, and they were awarded $100 million, his family. Okay. So that was it for our cryptocurrency news. Once again, my name is Chawanne Burns, and I am sending all my good to you. I will talk to you soon.